to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make hijiki, carrot and tuna salad. Japanese people eat a lot of different types of seaweed on daily basis. And Hijiki seaweed that we are using today is one of the most popular ones. All the seaweeds are very low on calories, but it's very high on fiber and minerals, so it's very good for your health. It cleanses your body. The hijiki salad I'm making today is very easy, healthy, and delicious. Let me show you how to do it. These are what you need. 1 or 2 carrots, depending on the size of your carrot, dried hijiki seaweed, canned tuna, 4 tablespoons vinegar. This is wheat vinegar, but you can use rice vinegar instead. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. This is canola today. 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon salt, and mitsuba. Mitsuba is green leafy vegetable that is unique to Japan, I think. Mitsuba means 3 leaves. So on one stem, there are 3 leaves. If you can't find mitsuba, you can use watercress or broccoli sprout instead. At first, I'm going to rehydrate this hijiki seaweed. I have a bowl and strainer, and I'm using half of this, which is 20 grams. So let's put half of this in the bowl. Hijiki seaweed looks like this when it's dry. And I'm going to add plenty of cold water and leave it for 10 minutes to rehydrate. In the meantime, let's cut the vegetable. So let's peel the skin of carrot. I want to make very thin strips of carrot, like a needle thin. And you can do it with knife or mandarin, either way you like. If you're using knife, cut the end off and make very thin diagonal slices, like this. And then align them a little bit into thin strips. Like this. And if you're using mandarin, you know how to do it. The carrot is all sliced into very thin strips, so let's put it in the bowl. Let's cut mitsuba. Cut the bottom off. And you just need to cut it into 1 inch or so, all the way to the leaves. Let's put it in the bowl here. Same bowl with the carrot. Back to the hijiki. Now you can see it's rehydrated. It's rare, but it sometimes has sand. So let's rinse it to make sure you don't eat any sand. Nice and clean. Now I'm making the dressing. So prepare a bowl big enough to put everything in. 4 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon honey, and give it a quick mix. And in here I'm adding carrot and mitsuba, hijiki seaweed, and you need to squeeze this really well to get all the extra moisture. So squeeze it really well, and then into the bowl. And canned tuna. Oil and everything into the bowl. Mix everything well. And the salad is ready. Very easy. Have it in the bowl. And time for the tasting. I love the color. Orange, green, black, and it's so pretty. Okay, let's eat. Itadakimasu. I'm not a big fan of carrot. I know I'm like a child, but I love this salad. It's delicious. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!